Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So today inshallah we are gonna solve the second question of this chapter. So the second question, firstly we already that, okay. मुख्तलिफ़ मुल्कों में जो तंजीम जिहाद के नाम पर जद्दोजहद कर रही है उनसे जुज़ई या कुल्ली तौर पर आप कहाँ तक मुत्तफ़िक़ है. So the question is that are you what supporting even though for example if you are supporting sometime you will support the statement what you will just support the few of this statement, and sometime you will just what support the few of the ideologies and theories of the what the jihad organization, that there are many organization in the global organization of jihad. Okay, so are you what supporting to them? Okay, so now let's see the answer from the many scholars. Okay, the first is Maulana Yasin Akhtar Misbah. He is saying that दुनिया के अंदर सरगर्म मुस्लिम तंजीमों के हर इक़दाम को नाजायज़ ठहराया जा सकता है और ना ही इसकी हिमायत की जा सकती है. We are not able to say that the Muslim organization is wrong or is we are also not able to support them before. But if we want to say something, if we have any opinion or regarding to that organization, so firstly we have to observe. Okay, इसी तरह मुस्लिम तंजीमों के हर इक़दाम को नाजायज़ ठहराना और उसकी मुखालिफत करते रहना भी सही नहीं है. And this is not also good one to just oppose them, and we are not able to say that this organization not what sahi. Okay, means, and we are not able to against that we are not able to do what against them. Okay, or that organization. अगर इस्लाम के नाम पर कोई काम किया जा रहा है तो इस्लामी नुक्ते नज़र से उसका जायज़ा लिया जाएगा. If some organization they are doing something, okay, if they are doing something or they are conducting some programs or they are doing something what something like that, firstly we have to just observe that work is under the Islamic Sharia, or okay, so firstly you have to observe that. Okay, लेना चाहिए और उसके बाद ही उसके बारे में कोई फैसला किया जा सकता है कि वो सही है. After observing their concept and their ideologies, if that is under the in the terms and condition of in our Islam Sharia, so we will say that this is right or wrong. For that if that could be if that all things are in the according to what Islamic Sharia, so that is right. If all things are against the Islamic Sharia, so that is wrong. इस्लामी दायरे के अंदर रहते हुए मुस्लिम तंजीमों की जो सरगर्मियाँ हैं वो जिहाद के वसी माने में मफ़हूम के दायरे में शामिल है. If that organization are doing some of the jihad organizations are conducting some programs and according to the Islamic Sharia, so that is true. So that is what we call jihad in the right way. ओके, अलबत्ता हरब ज़रब और कत्ल खूर रेज़ी के वाक़यात और हादसात की आग बंद करके इस्तिलाही हिजात के मौना किताब नहीं कहा जा सकता है. इवन बट in some of the way, if you are doing just what if you are killing and beating some other people, okay, so this is not includes in jihad. Okay, so this is because Islam doesn't permit these things like that. Okay, so this is all the against of the Islamic Sharia. So this organization is not under the Islamic Sharia. So we can say that this organization is not, they are just want to spread the terror, and they want to just they are the enemies of the Islam in the name of Islam. ओके, वी कैन से दैट लाइक मुस्लिम ममालिक या मगरब ममालिक के अंदर सरगर्म मुस्लिम तंजीम इस वक्त अगर दुनिया के किसी हिस्से में अपनी मुखालिफ ताकत के सामने सीने सफ़र है या उसके मफाद को नुकसान पहुँचाने के लिए उसकी कोई हमला करे तो उसे अपने तहफ़्फ़ुज़ और दिफ़ा या इंतकाम के पुरजोश वो इस्तक़लाल अंगेज़ कार्रवाई कहा जा सकता है, मगर इस्लामी जिहाद का नाम उसे नहीं दिया जा सकता है. इफ़ एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मुस्लिम association organization they are protecting their area and their peoples, okay, from others, they are just protecting from the nuksan and some attacks. So this is what difa tahaffuz. Okay, so this is not called jihad. Okay, but we can't give this jihad in the name of the Islam. Okay, So we can't call this. The second one the second answer by the Maulana Wahiduddin Khan, he said that गैर हुकूमती तंजीमों की तरफ से जिहाद बेमाना क़िताल का अमल जो आजकल मुख्तलिफ मुस्लिम ग्रुप की तरफ से जारी है वो बिलाशुबा गैर इस्लामी है. Some of the organization they are just they are doing the jihad in the name of qital. So and the non-Muslim groups are doing this that. So without any doubt, this is गैर इस्लामिक. Okay, it's not under the Islam. Okay, ये सब जिहाद के नाम पर फसाद का अमल है. Because some of the organization will do in the name of Islam. Okay, they will say that Islam, the organization will that organization will say the Islam, what Islam teaches like that. Islam teaches that to just kill the other people who are not supporting to Islam. Okay, ऐसा. But Islam doesn't order or doesn't permit or doesn't propagate or appreciate for that. Okay, Islam is against for that. क्योंकि जिहाद बेमाना कत्ल सर हुकूमत की जिम्मेदारी है. ओके, गैर हुकूमती तंजीम के लिए पुरअमन दावत है, ना कि मसलिहा जिहाद. For the other organization, it is called the peace. Okay, not of jihad. Okay, the third answer from Maulana Shafi Monis, he is saying that मुख्तलिफ मुल्कों में जो तंजीम दावत हक़ और फितना फसाद के ख़िलाफ़ तालीम व तलक़ीन से काम ले रही है, उनकी जद्दोजहद की राह इख्तियार की हो तो उसका सिलसिला में अलग अलग सही वाक़िफ़त नहायत ज़रूरी है, ताकि ये देखा जा सके कि इस्लामी तालीमात ने जो शराइत व आदाब लाजिम करार दिए हैं उनका कहाँ तक पास वो लिहाज किया जा रहा है. He is saying that in the different country there are some organization which are based on they are just promoting haqq and they are just opposing the fasad and fitna and the खिलाफ and they are just तालीम व तलक़ीन से काम ले रहे हो तो उनकी. So if they are doing like that, so we have to also observe the terms and conditions which is applied from in our Islamic Sharia. If they are just obeying and if that organization the organization according to our Islamic Sharia, so we have to also, that means we have to just observe and or investigate. Okay, interrogate that they are obeying and they are following the instructions like that. So that time we are able to say that. Okay, before that we are not able to say that this organization right is wrong like that. Now the last one is Maulana Abdul Wahab Khilji. He is saying that पूरी दुनिया में जुल्म जबर के ख़िलाफ़ उठाई जाने वाली आवाज़ हर कलमा गो के दिल की आवाज़ है. आलाए कलिमतुल्लाह और दावत इस्लाम की राह में हाइल रुकावट की दूर रुकने की तमाम मसाई जमीला से हर इंसाफ पसंद को मुत्तफ़िक होना चाहिए. ओके, ये नाउ द अब्दुल वहाब खिलजी इज सेइंग दैट पूरी दुनिया में जुल्म जबर के ख़िलाफ़ उठाई जाने वाली हर आवाज़ कलमा गो की दिल की आवाज़ है. मीन्स अभी इस दुनिया में इन दिस वर्ल्ड देयर आर मैनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन those who are opposing and they are just protesting against the dhulm and jabr. Okay, so we have to just support them. Okay, आलाया करीमतुल्लाह और दावत की राह में हाय रुकावट दूर करने की तमाम मसाई जमीला से हर इंसाफ पसंद को मुत्तफ़िक होना चाहिए. So whoever wants insaf, whoever wants justice, so they should have to support those organizations who are opposing the dhulm and jabr. Okay, so I think you understand the question and answer. The second question, and there are some answer from several scholars, so I hope you understand. So here we finish our this second question. Inshallah next we will finish our this third question also. Here we finish. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.